Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move images between the Word document. So let's start. So this is my Word document and go to the Insert tab, click on the pictures, click on this device and select here your image. So I select here the colorful flowers. Okay, image is inserted. You can drag with the mouse and you can resize it easily. Okay, now you can see the image is not move anywhere. Okay, so if you want to move image between the Word document, just right click on the mouse, then click on the wrap text option, then click on the in front of text option, and that's it. Now just move your image easily between the Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.